So today we're going to check out the Yacht Rigger Catamaran Adjustable Bowsprit. Uses Dyneema for the stays as opposed to the stainless steel. So right here we have a couple of soft shackles attaching this. This is an adjustable water stay. So these come back to the clutches back here.
So what you can do is, without having to reach out to the end of the sprit, clip your furler in right here and then pull in on the tack line. And now your furler will be out on the end of the sprit where it needs to be. When it comes time to pull it in, you can do the reverse by opening the clutch and pulling on the furler itself, and it will come back to you.
And these are the adjustables here, so you can bring it to one side or the other if it was more favorable for a deeper run, or if you wanted to fold it up for dock space, that's also a possibility. So if we open those blue clutches right here, or the lines with the blue lines in it, there you go. Now you have a shorter dock space. You're not paying that for that full length out there all the time.
So this system is absolutely 100% retrofittable. If you have an existing bowsprit, we can send you the components to get the setup done on your boat. We just need two simple measurements, and that is your existing water stay length. So from the tip of the bowsprit down to the hull where the pad eye is with the sprit in the down position, and then the length of your sprit. And we will send you a complete hardware installation kit, including the lines, everything you need so you can have the system on your boat. And if you don't have a bowsprit, we can also include the bowsprit as part of that system. So whether you have an existing bowsprit or you have none at all, we can get you this set up on your boat.